Hey guys, this is My Tech Guy 101 here with you. I just got an iPod Classic 4 or 5 days ago. It has some funny noises like a disc spinning in an older computer. But I did research on it. It's like a hard drive disc thing. It's built in. So I just want to let you guys know and be aware of it. But I'll show you what it sounds like here. Kind of gets annoying every now and then too. Let's see. I first thought it was a setting in the iPod Classic, like the spin whirl thing, but it's obviously not. I just got a new iPod Classic today, and I'm gonna unbox it for you, and it's real nice. I'll show you that it still makes the noise and everything, but thanks for watching.